Hello, friends. Welcome to Akulmach Live. Today, we are going to witness an incredible journey. A former film production agency in Ukraine has successfully pivoted to high tech drone manufacturing, securing over $1 billion in crucial defense contracts. We will learn how this company transformed its entire operation to support Ukraine's defense effort and became a major player in the aerial technology. Let's go. In a world often defined by disruption, the true innovation emerges from the most unexpected places. Imagine a company once dedicated to the artistry of cinema, capturing stories, crafting visuals, bringing narratives to life on the silver screen. Now imagine the same company facing an existential threat, transforming its entire identity to build the very tool of defense. This is an extraordinary tale of Ukraine Film Agency that didn't just adapt, it completely reinvented itself from a gentle whir of a film projector to the powerful hum of a reconnaissance drone. They have navigated an astonishing pivot, securing over $1 billion in defense contracts and becoming a crucial player in Ukraine's fight for freedom. This is not just a business story, it's a testament to ingenuity, resilience, and unyielding spirit of a nation. Before the full scale invasion, Ukraine's film industry was experiencing a renaissance. Talented directors, innovative producers, skilled crew were making their mark on the international stage. Our featured company was at the heart of this boom, a hub of creativity known for its meticulous production, cutting edge equipment, and a deep understanding of the complex logistic challenges. They worked on everything from blockbuster commercials to independent features, employing hundreds, fostering a vibrant artistic community. Their warehouse are filled with high-tech cameras, intricate lighting rigs, sound recording gear, and complex editing suites. Their teams were masters of rapid deployment, working under pressure, and solving technical problems on the fly. These skills unknowingly would become the foundation of their future. Then in February 2022, the full scale invasion shattered life as everyone knew it. The booming film industry ground to an immediate halt. Sets were abandoned, equipment lay dormant, and the creative energy that once filled the studios was replaced by a terrifying sound of the war. For many businesses, it was the end. But for some, it was a brutal catalyst for a change, for redefinement, diversification. These are the positive words we talk about. And this is an inspirational story. So stick around, friends. During the early days of the conflict, as the Ukraine war, continues and the Ukraine forces bravely defend their homeland, a critical need became glaringly obvious, which are drones. Not just any drone, but robust, reliable, adaptable, unmanned aerial vehicle capable of reconnaissance, intelligence gathering, and even delivering vital supplies. The commercial off the shelf drones were helpful but often lacked the durability or security for military applications. The leader of our film agency, of this agency that we're talking about, witnessing this firsthand, realized their unique position. They possess the logistical prowess of a major production house, the technical know-how for equipment handling, etc. Perhaps most important, a deep sense of patriotism and burning desire to contribute. The transition wasn't immediate, but the idea began to take root. Could they, a company built on lights, camera, action, now build flight sensors and defense? The pivot was audacious. To see the least, it required a complete re-evaluation of their assets, their people, their purpose. Former camera operators Jaffers and set designers suddenly found themselves poring over schematics for aerodynamics and electronic warfare countermeasures. Precision was still a paramount, factor, but now for a different stakes. They started by identifying common, readily available components that could be repurposed. Their expertise in sourcing and managing complex inventories crucial for film production. Schedules became invaluable for acquiring electronics, composite materials, and specialized parts. Warehouses once stacked with lenses, lightning gel, were reconfiguring into assembly lines for propellers and circuit boards. Training was intense. They brought in specialists, partnered with existing tech firms, and leveraged the incredible adaptability of their workforce. The challenge wasn't just technical, it was cultural. Shifting from artistic expression to military precision demanded a new mindset, but one fueled by urgency and shared national objectives. The initial prototypes were rough as expected, but the lessons learned from the rapid iteration cycle of the film production, shooting, editing, reviewing, reshooting, translating surprisingly well, they embraced a fail fast, learn fast philosophy, constantly gathering feedback from the front line, refining designs, and improving performance. Security and reliability became paramount. They weren't toys, they were vital assets. Each drone had to withstand harsh conditions, operate covertly, and deliver critical intelligence. The team worked tirelessly, often under immense pressure, knowing that every successful flight could save lives. Their dedication paid off. They developed a range of unmanned aerial vehicles from small, agile reconnaissance units to large, more robust platforms. Each model was designed with specific battlefield needs in mind, offering superior flight time, payload capacity, and secure communication compared to many alternatives. Word of their ingenuity spread. The Ukrainian Ministry of Defense, impressed by their rapid development and commitment, began placing significant orders. It wasn't just about building drones, it was about building trust. A company demonstrated not only technical capability but also unwavering detection to support their nation. The scale of these contracts were staggering, over $1 billion. This influx of funding allowed them to expand operations, invest in advanced machinery, and hire even more skilled personnel. They transformed from a resourceful startup in a time of crisis into a sophisticated defense contractor, a critical pillar of Ukrainian technological self sufficiency. Their success wasn't accidental. It was the culmination of years of logistical experience, technical acumen, and adaptive workforce, and an absolute refusal to surrender. The creative problem solvers of the film industry had become the strategic innovator of defense. The impact of this pivot extends far beyond the bottom lines. Their drones are now actively contributing to intelligence gathering, target acquisition, and even search and rescue operations, directly saving lives and aiding in Ukraine's defense. They symbolize not just technological advancement, but the spirit of nation that refuses to be broken. Moreover, this story sends a powerful message. Innovation thrives even in the darkest time. It demonstrates how existing industries can adapt their core competencies to address entirely new critical challenges. This transformation isn't just about drones, it's about national pride, economic resilience, and the power of human ingenuity under pressure. The the skills honed in the art of storytelling have now been repurposed for the most urgent story of all, survival and sovereignty. And as the conflict continues, their contribution remains invaluable. What does the future hold for this remarkable company? Even after the war, the demand for advanced aerial technology will remain. Their pivot has not only secured their survival but has positioned them as a leader in a rapidly evolving industry. They have proven that creativity and the strategic thinking are not limited to artistic pursuit, but are vital tools in the face of adversity. From crafting visual narratives to forging instruments of defense, this Ukrainian company has etched an inspirational chapter into the annals of business transformation. So, friends, what do we learn about this? I think we should never say no. We should always think innovation in our minds when we are doing business. And above all, I would like to know, what do you think about this transformational story? And I was truly impressed by this, and that is why I decided to bring it to you today morning. And therefore, I would like to listen to your comments, read your comments, probably receive your calls, and I would like to know if you got inspired by this sort of business transformation. Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.